Now that the track's fitted, really the only job left is a 3mm hole right at the end of the track, like that, easy peasy, and that'll hold this R-clip, and the R-clip fits on just like that and will hold the rod, which we use for the awning, in place, both when it's in transit and when the awning is up. So that's a really simple way of attaching it. I used to put 50mm bolts on the end, but a lot of people didn't like that, and this is certainly easier. If by any chance you have arthritic fingers, which I guess many do, and you find that difficult, find a friend with a pair of pliers and just ask them to bend it open about that much. When you buy them, they're quite tight. If they can spread that only about 2mm for you, it makes it so much easier to pop in and off. Okay? So arthritic fingers or not, you shouldn't have any difficulty with that.